I mean, let's see if this actually works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a layer of alteration protection. If you play Skyrim, this is known as the dragon scale. And then I'm going to just wrap this around. It's on? Yeah, it's still on. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Here I am, your host, the Slow of the Joe. Why do I call myself Slow Joe? Because I am slow and I am an average Joe. What is up, everybody? Slow Joe here, and in this video I'm going to be going through 3 free ways that you can easily improve your audio for your Twitch streams and even your YouTube videos. So let's dive into this video very quickly. The first way to really improve your audio is to get as close to your mic as possible. Now, most microphones will come with a desk stand, so if you're actually using a desk stand, your goal now is to actually get it close to your mouth. So I would actually advise is placing it in front of your keyboard and maybe even setting your microphone to cardioid. That way it's not going to pick up any sounds coming from behind it, and unless you have like a blue keyboard, then I mean, you should be Gucci. But simply just getting the microphone as close to your mouth as possible makes a world of a difference. If you actually don't believe me, I'll show you an example right now. This is me talking to you about a foot away from the microphone. This is me slightly further away. Yeah, I'm further away. This is me in my prime state, enjoying life to the fullest. All I need now is a glass of wine and some sweet music. And snapping back to reality, this is me comfortably right in front of my microphone. Now, I know that I said these are free ways to improve your audio, but if you have some chili chunder sitting around and you're ready to upgrade anything for your live streams, I would highly recommend grabbing a boom arm after you grab a really great microphone. Getting that boom arm will obviously get it super close to your mouth and instantly improve your audio. The second free and easy way to improve your audio is to actually just fill up your room with as many things as possible without it kind of looking cluttered, which is actually not that easy now that I think about it. But if it's your bedroom, it's actually really easy. You got your bed, you got so many things in there. The goal is to fill up your room so that all the objects around you actually absorb the sound waves. Because what happens is, if you're in an empty room, everything's going to echo and just bounce off of each other. So maybe even look at getting a carpet on the floor and getting a couch, getting a beanbag, and just making your room more full with things that can actually absorb the sound waves, and that's going to improve your audio a hell of a lot. Now, this actually, as much of a joke as it was and as funny as it was, actually might even be a game changer for you. That is, of course, that you don't see your microphone in the videos. Simply covering up or actually just getting a pop filter will actually help with noise suppression, and simply adding filters over your audio inside of Streamlabs OBS or OBS is going to help you a lot with echo, reverb, and just all those nasty echoes of the echoes that you don't want in your live streams. So the third free way is to put a sock over your microphone. Please, actually, if you do that, like, take a photo and tag me in it. I'd love to reshare it. I'm on Instagram and Twitter, whichever one you want to post on. Otherwise, go into your Streamlabs OBS and click on your audio and add some filters. So all you got to do is just literally right click on your audio and just add some reverb. And it's going to make a world of a difference. Please make sure your socks are clean. Please. 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 And here's just a few bonus tips is don't have your fan on, like whether you have an aircon. And if your computer is really loud like mine, keep your microphone as far away from it as possible. I actually have to keep my microphone away, and I keep the back, here's the back of the microphone here, from the opposite side of it. So because it's set to cardioid, what it does is it picks up sound waves from this angle. It's not going to pick up anything really behind it unless it's like super loud. And that's going to actually cancel out the sound of my PC that is really loud. Thank you, GTX 1080. Otherwise, if you're needing a little bit more convincing on actually upgrading to a boom arm, I have an amazing video out right now which you can head on over, which will just show you the ins and outs of setting up a boom arm and why you should get a boom arm. So I'll see you guys over there. So yeah, peace.